The GPS planning system confirms this giant pine. Coordinates verified. This is approved harvest stock.
All right, bring the harvester up to the first marker. We've got clearance on the left.
Roger that, moving into position now.
All clear on the moisture check.
Copy that. Send it down.
Bring it down slowly, watch the left side. Okay, easy now. Looks good, secure the load.
This is the lead truck. We are departing the harvest zone now. All units maintain speed and spacing. Arriving at your destination, the timber processing facility, on the right.
Keep coming straight back, driver. You're clear on the left.
Roger, steady back, appreciate it. Clear to drop, over. Roger that, bring it down easy.
Giant tree trunks cut, washed, and turned into premium timber manufacturing Ks, rotary log washer.
Yeah, this section looks good.
Log 22 approved. Moving to the next stage.
Utilizing high-resolution cameras and X-ray modules, the AI analyzes internal defects and structural integrity.
All systems green. Feed speed is optimal.
Confirmed. Keep monitoring the blade temperatures.
Take the next exit toward the city center. Then turn left onto the access road.
Okay, cross-reference the batch numbers on the tablet.
Got it. Looks like lot 47B matches the manifest.
Quality looks good too. Go ahead and move it.
The quality on this shipment is excellent. Agreed.
According to the plans, the long pieces go to the north tower first.
Check the laser alignment on this end.
Looks good. Right on the mark.
All right, snapping the line now. Bring it down slowly, easy now. Looks good on the laser. Hold it there. Perfect. Set it down.
Ensure the torque is exact on this bracket. Confirmed. All specs met. Measurements are well within tolerance. This section passes inspection.
Understood. Great work, team.
The grain matching here is perfect, minimizing any waste.
The craftsmanship is superb. You've exceeded our expectations.
Thank you. It was a pleasure working with you. This section is ready for harvest.
Yes, the data confirms high biodiversity and sustainable yield right here.
Look at how perfectly these beams align with the design specs. The structural integrity is unmatched, and the installation was smooth. We ensure that for every tree harvested here, several more are replanted right away, maintaining the health of the ecosystem.
This plank meets the premium grade specifications.
We've rerouted the next shipment to Bay 4,